Look what we have here. A young blacksmith in making. But I sense he will be more than a blacksmith. I'm sensing he will do great things. Okay, it's hot. Gotta reheat it. Okay, I gotta just quench it in the well. Perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. I want to show my friends. Easy. I want to show my friends. Hey, look what I made. Whoa! Ow! Why are you doing this? I thought we guys were friends. Bro. Ow! Why are you guys attacking me? I never wanted to fight. I just wanted to show you my sword. Always carry a dagger on you guys. In here. Ding. I'm practicing my magic too. Ugh. Ow! I'm awful at flipping. Oh, that's an easy kill. Hey bro, come here. What? Dang it. I've been practicing my combat. Ow! Maybe it's because I'm short. These guys all seem really short. See? Look. Dang. This axe isn't finished. One second. That's another sword I was working on. But I like it too much not to sell it. How much do I get for selling the sword, Mr. Chicken Clerk? 50 gold pieces? Really? Thanks. I'll just put that back with you. Oh, those are the gold pieces. Okay, thanks.
Hey! Okay, I'll just take these. Thank you. Damn, these are heavy. This isn't gold, this is grain. I said gold, not grain. Give me what I want, which is gold. Okay? Do you hear me? I want gold. I want gold. Fine, I'll just take without getting my reward. Ugh. Butthole. Guess I'll just go somewhere else, see if they'll take that sword. Give me my sword back. Do I at least get a bow and some arrows? I do? Okay. Oh. How did they get on my back? Okay. How do I get out of this place now? Okay. I guess I'll just climb over the wall. Okay, first I gotta find a way up the wall. Okay. Did I accidentally do a flip? Oh, yeah, I did. Sorry. Okay, well, I just made it to the canyon. I'm gonna be extra cautious, though, because I've heard this is where bandits hang out. Just gonna, I wanna see. Oh, why is there music? Oh no. Don't tell me these are bandits! Hey. They have bandit mages? I didn't know that. Ah! Come at me. Shoot your fireball. That was a little anticlimactic. Oh gosh! Ow! I really need a shield. Gotta be careful. I have the high ground! This is not the high ground way! Oh gosh! That went right over my head. I felt that heat. You just hit me. You're mean. Oh gosh. They'll have to catch me if they want me. Ow! Who did that? Well, I can do one better, bro. Fire arrows! Okay, well, it seems I'm very bad at fire arrows. Ow! How am I not hitting these guys? No, stop grabbing the quiver. Slap! I didn't know I was that strong. How did that go through his legs? Okay, I'm an awful archer. Let's all admit it. I think I'll just stick to sword fighting. No. You know what? I'm gonna take that staff. Nope, guess not. I really need a shield, bro. No! Ah! 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 No! 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 Okay, let's try and make that jump. Whoa. No! Ah! Oh no. Okay. Like that. While dodging arrows and fire. Or I could be shooting the arrows and fire. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh, you're a cheater, you know that, right? No! How am I this lucky? This is just pure luck by this point. What just happened? Did I have fire magic. Yes! Ah! Now let's see who's left. Wait, where is everyone? Huh? Huh. Weird. Well, I like this fire magic. Oh no. It's corrupted. It's corrupted! Uh-oh. Come on. Arrow, stop it. So, as you can tell, my depth perception is utterly awful. Okay. Just do less power. Hey, I got him. Hey, bro. You're just gonna fight with an arrow through your arm? Okay. Whoa! Haha. Look at me. Ah, 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 ah. Ow! Ah. I can't swim. I guess I can now. My clothes are soaked. Seawater. I hate the taste of it. I guess when I fell, I must have got carried downriver into the ocean. I need to rest. See if my fire's still not working. You know, just in case, I'm gonna shoot it through this window. Oh, I guess it's not working. Or, if it is, then it's just the inhabitants of the home. I'm just gonna guess that. Dang it. Okay, this is my house now. Sorry, buddy. I need to get by this fire. You know what? I'm dry now. I'm gonna go explore. But first, no, I don't want the dang plate. I need to go. Let's see if we can do a nice flip. Landed it too. You know what? I'm gonna try something. I've been working on like this dagger summoning spell. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is nice. Rain, baby, rain! Rain daggers! Oh no. Ah! I don't like that kind of when I do that. Okay. There's a zip line. Why don't I just climb the zip line? Yeah, I'll just climb the zip line. Okay. Time to climb. Climb, baby, climb. I'm gonna have serious rope burn by the end of this, aren't I? I can already feel it burning. Ah, my hand. No! Ow! My legs. Maybe that wasn't such the best place to do that. Maybe I should just climb, like, over there, maybe. Excuse me. Yeah, this is much easier. I hope I never have to climb in my life again. I probably will, though. Ugh. Phew! Almost lost my grip. On the other hand, I really need chalk. Like that climbing chalk. Ugh. There. Okay. Whew. Oh, I don't like heights. I don't like being up this high. Huh. New spell. Gravity. Whee! Oh, I can fly? Oh, heck yeah. This is awesome. Oh no. Oh no. What's happening? Oh no. Now the other hand. Oh gosh. Maybe I have to do, ooh, a new one. Lightning. Oh no. Oh no. What's happening? Ah! What was that? Oh no. Oh no. happened? Where am I? Where am I? Huh? Oh. Wait, my gravity powers don't work. Oh, I guess I do. I guess that's me. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Oh no. This isn't gonna be good. Do I have to hang myself? I don't know. Is this a hanger thing? I don't know what they're called. Maybe it's a noose. Like the hanging noose? I'm not sure. This does not feel good. I'm gonna climb the rope just to be safe. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I do not like this. I do not like this. I do not like this. Oh no. Oh, I already said I was afraid of heights. Please don't. Please. I've done nothing wrong. I'm not in my home. Don't let me fall. Oh no. Oh no.
Look, folks, this stainless steel signature edition blade will cut through.
My leg. I hate the smell of this. Well, at least they left the torch for me. My legs. I hate falling. I've already broken my legs like 3 times. Sorry, man. Sorry. Oh! Fucking legs! Ow! My leg! My leg! I think I broke it. Oh, there. It's better now. I was just dislocated. Oh. Huh? Inventory? Oh! Look at that! I don't have frying pans from where I come from. We just eat on like stone plates or something. I don't actually know if we have frying pans where I come from. I think we come from Greece. Ooh, I hate that sound of that light. Ah, my pan. Yeah, we do have frying pans. Or a frying stone, I should say. This is more of a pan. Ow. What's this? Oh, I was writing that. No, Heaven's Reach Grand Elder. After a great deliberation within underdwellers, we have decided to seal up these tombs and retract any recordings of their existence. Far too long have we retained the devilish pact, allowing these subterranean demons to toy with the souls of our flock. Henceforth we shall ensure her destitutes are unable to reach these horrible halls at any cost. The horrors of keeping souls alive while their flesh decays, this is necromancy. Guys, I know a little bit about necromancy from my home world. It's basically just raising the dead. I've only heard stories about evil, like, sorcerers who use it, but I don't use it. It's legends, though, right? There we go. This does not look safe. I'm gonna step over here. Oh no. Oh, yeah, that's not safe. No, dang it. Okay. It seems Heaven's Reach Elders has decided to seal off the catacombs access to their to their town after stumbling down here. Continuously, they have set free thinking dissenters down here into these tombs, and we have done our best to study and understand how the simulation is learning. Wait, what's a simulation? Am I not real? Is this not real? The Heavens Reach Fantasyland simulation, yeah, there's that word again, is deciding to go purely self-sustaining. They are now viewing cast members in a negative light, left to their own devices. What's devices? The AI has become extremely conservative on their ideologies. We will probably need to abandon this research dungeon and seal off the back paths into myth. No skin off my back. This job is a little creepy. Yeah, I'd say so too. This place is creepy. I don't like it. I wonder what they did. Why is that really on the wall? Sorry, skeleton man. I guess this is necromancy because, yeah, I guess it's real. Okay. It is a little weird that we put these torture weapons on display. I understand we're trying to maintain the dungeon aesthetic for authenticity, but it almost feels wrong. Is MythOS running a Stanford prison experiment on us? Huh. Every cast member has been very careful not to harm or abuse artificial entities, though they are just sentient decorations. Huh. Well, that's weird. Oh, this got some weight to it, boy. No thanks. I like my axe better. Let's try and sneak it. Stop. Ooh. Yeah. That's funny. Sorry, man. Go. Gotta go. Ow! My head. Okay. Up. It says to push this up. Huh. Guess I didn't need to stack any boxes or anything. Well, that's good. Be warned. Ye be warned. Lava. Oh, yeah, there is lava. But I'm guessing the grate is actually what could kill me. Okay. Oh, we got music on the house. Oh.
Al here was causing a lot of trouble over in Fantasyland. Good thing I showed up, right?
Okay, there we go. Lava game. What's that? Okay, I'm not gonna check there. Open to unlock. Gotcha capsules. Grab with both hands. I don't think there's any. Oh, look, another plaque. Oh. I'm not gonna read that because it's super hard to read. Whoa. Yeah! Something looks sketchy down here. Down? Oh my gosh, what is that? What the hell is that? I do not like that. Okay? Oh no. Oh no. That thing just jumped at me. Die. 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 I'm gonna call that thing a crablet. Because it's like a crab. But it's little. What's that? Gun here. What is a gun? Oh, I guess that's a gun. See, my magic powers work. Yes, they do. Guess I just pull back like that. And there we go. That guy's still alive. Why do they use... I'm just gonna get rid of that. It's just a waste of space at this point. Okay, what are these guys? Are they called nobodies? Because look, they're like undead. They're undead, but they're orange. Nobodies. Why not nobodies?
It may look peaceful out here, but
You stopped the
it
music.
isn't. There's something hostile out there.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I'm sorry, but music, you need to go. What's this? We get somewhere where it's brighter. Well, I definitely accidentally destroyed in my transit pass. This is annoying because the system won't let me on the train no matter what, and it refuses to spawn me a new pass. Does the AI want to trap me here? I guess the best move will be to walk back through the offices and try to find the simulation exit elevator. I'm getting the hint that none of this is real. Oh god! There we go. I'm really getting the hang of this.
Please, public transport ticket or employee credentials on hand.
There we go.
The next transit arrival is expected at... The next transit arrival is expected.
Is it expected, bro? When? Now hiring. Recommended good family and friends. I know why. So no one can say you've gone missing and report you to the authorities. That is smart.
Reminder to present your transit credentials entering the Fantasyland Employee Transport Station.
Hurrah! Perfect. Okay. No, I don't want that. No, give me my... I'm gonna call that a magazine. Because the metal arrows, tiny metal arrows, basically. I want to call the tiny metal arrows bullets. Yeah, that makes sense.
Please, secure all
Perfect. Huh. Notice, lift access lockdown. Any null entities set to ascend into Fantasyland must be secured to the lift and adored with an fantasy-appropriate avatar body. Nulls that are detected will not be prepared for ascension and will be forced into immediate quarantine of the lift unit area unit destroyed. Please do not activate the emergency quarantine override. Okay, whatever. Security Task Force, Monogon Industries. I'm betting I'm gonna have to fight those guys. Okay, let's read this.
Be advised, only approved fantasy assets and objects may pass security clearance for this lift area.
Wishing Well Lift Crew will be one of the coolest jobs. The people of the Heavens Reach would literally wish into a well, and we would grant them by sending what they were wishing for. Okay, that is pretty cool. what our responsibilities was just checking for historically accurate. It was somewhat romantic of an idea to play guardian angel for these people of Heaven's Reach. It is a shame that the elders of Heaven's Reach decided anything obtained through the wishing well was akin to witchcraft, and I am sure that will transfer me to another department or simulation. But one of these, this one was peaceful and pleasant. Okay. I'm like this bad of a shot, bro. That still has bullets in it. I'm just gonna put that there. Whoa.
This sector is experiencing a temporary lockdown.
Crew report, antique analysis lift. Antique analysis lift crew. Team members considered submitting grievances against superior employees. These express empathetic concerns over the Heaven's Reach inhabitants and well wishes. No further actions necessary just yet. Continue observation necessary. Ace, double A, secretar, whatever. You know, these monogon guys are real bad.
Some people think we needed to move, but it's like work. I want something different. Everything out here is about building, about creation.
Haha! Done! Come out! Done! What the hell was that? It's like they put me in like another simulation. I'm sorry. You are alive. Okay, what's this? Report. It is time to submit an official grievance of ethical concern relating to Crew Lift 06 operating supervisor, redacted. Observing party, redacted. Observing lift crew 06, obtaining operating supervisor has experienced ethical questions intent in relation of the Heaven's Reach inhabitants, direct contradicting the prime directive. We are asked to maintain a level of standard with which to grant appropriate request for aid from Heaven's Reach simulation entities while rendering aid through the wishing well lift. The supervisor on hand begin issuing orders to alter her fully filled wishes request with items outside guidelines of said request. I believe these altered wishes grants could turn into modified behavior of the inhabitants of the simulation and negative and undesirable ways. Please take appropriate action to correct this ethical questionable behavior. Huh. Well, there's a bunch of clipboards here. I don't want to read all of them. Can I take this off of? Okay. I'm gonna take a break. No, I don't want to smash my head.